Now we reached the fish market. As per our previous discussion, uh, I am going to fish market. So I am now reached here. Let's see the Shantinagar fish market. How do this look like? I will show the all of here. If you are looking for fresh fish in Sambalpur, the Shantinagar Fish Market near Baraja is a great place to visit. The market offers a wide variety of freshwater and seafood, including rohu, bakura, katla, prawn, and many other seasonal varieties. Most fish arrive early in the morning, so that's the best time to get the freshest catch. The market is popular because the prices are reasonable, and you can compare quality from different vendors before buying local friendly restaurant. If you are in Sambalpur and want fresh, tasty fish at a good price, Shantinagar Fish Market is definitely worth a visit. Just remember to carry a bag, check the freshness by looking at the eye and scale of the fish, and enjoy the variant local market experience. And we are also purchased today around half kg for making fish fried, and little bit putta for making putta fry also, and those are we are buying. And if you are want, then please go. I have purchased some fish with a little bit putta also. Putta also very tasty fish, but it taking little bit time to clean it. But thereafter it's very tasty. Finally, we are came to nearby our vehicle. Now we will go to back to home. Even we are live to Sri in our two neighborhoods, and we gave them to our Sri for a little bit care of her. And we are come to buy here because the fish market is not should not be so to a baby, so that we didn't come with her. And now we are come back to home because our purchasing is finished yet. So now we are back to home. Fish making are started, and here the putta also making at a time. Here is the fish is fried. We are doing fried, and some dishes also have done yet. And this is I will show it to all you. And this is having fried, and here is the putta. I told you how actually the tasty, and even the bhaja related and dali also have done yet. And I will show you on little bit after we are taking the lunch. We will show how to we have done arrange the and enjoying the Sunday and having the day. I will show you all. This is the last clip of the day, and this is a piece and it putta, bhaja and it pokhal. And now conclude the video. She cannot be giving me time to complete my office work. I trying to my best, but she is disturbing me again and again whenever I trying. Now finally she want to broke my register, so that she attacked this all things. So I stopping from here. I cannot be do office work at home. Whenever I getting free time in office, I will be finish it in working time. See everything here doing. See bro, finally taking my register. She didn't give to me. She want to broke it, but I have to need to be leave this perfectly. So finish from here. I cannot be do now it. Be listening, there is came to park a camel and horse, so that we are going to watch them, because my daughter didn't so like that animals. So we are going to for I am going to for seeing for show to my daughter. So now we are going, and also with us the Ansu and his friend also going with us. There is both also going with us. This is the view, and there is also two dogs in uh, after them. According to Ansu told us, there is horse, a camel is there. So we are finally come to there for looking to those uh, things. And I saw to you all, there is a horse and there is a camel. There is looking both. This park is a beautiful, peaceful place where families and friends come to relax and spend quality time together. Children enjoy playing in the open space, while adults take a walk and enjoy the fresh air. Sometimes camel and horse are brought here, giving visitors a chance to enjoy a short ride and take memorable photos. It created a fun and lively atmosphere, especially for kids. Whether you want to relax, play, or simply enjoy the evening, this park is a wonderful place to visit. That's why we are also came to here for visit with my daughter Sri and looking this atmosphere. Now she watching to both of that and smiling. Even she is very happy to after looking those animals. So she is clapping to both hands. Here also is here also and also friend also here. We are all each together here.